Let's fix TikTok if your liked videos are not showing up. Now, if you're in the TikTok app, you're liking various videos, but then you go into the liked section, but they're not showing up or not updating. I'm going to walk you through a few steps to get that fixed. So let's hop into TikTok here, and we'll tap on the profile at the bottom right. Now I can tap on that heart in the middle of the screen, and you can see these are all of the liked videos that I have. Now, if this is not updating or not showing up, there are a few different reasons for that. The first thing that we'll check to see is make sure there's no bug or glitch in your TikTok app itself. So let's hop out here, open up the settings. Let's go back. We'll tap on General and then iPhone storage. Now we're going to find the TikTok app, we're going to offload it and reinstall it. If you're on Android, you can just clear the cache, delete the app, and then reinstall the TikTok app. So I'm going to find TikTok there, I'm just going to offload it and reinstall it. A lot of times this fixes any kind of bugs or glitches in the app itself. So go through this process and basically open up the app again and then check those liked videos to see if they're showing up. If they're still not working, still not showing up, it could be a bug on the TikTok servers themselves. So to check that, let's open up a web browser here, and we're going to just type in, is TikTok down? And a good one is Down Detector here. Let's go there, and you're going to look to see if there's a huge spike in reported outages. You can see around 6 a.m. there was, but right now there currently isn't. If there's a huge spike in reported outages, then maybe it's not updating because the TikTok servers themselves are down. You just got to wait a few hours for them to get them back up and running, and then all of those like videos should start populating again and showing up as normal. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.